Good morning, class. This is your teacher R. I wish that everybody is in good health and happy because today we will learn something about measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. Are you ready? Okay. At the end of the lesson, you are able to define mean, median, and mode. And second is calculate the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. And last is show appreciation and understanding of the lesson through the drill of the given. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have fun first. Are you familiar with playing cards? Look at the picture. What hub number do we have? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Who among you are the experienced playing this one? Now, let's go back to the number. What is the total sum of these numbers? It's 20, right? If we divide it by 5, the result is 4. What do you call these numbers? So, we find it later. Our lesson for this morning is all about measure of central tendency. It has three important components: the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. Now, based on the given pictures of the cards, our median is 4 and our mean is also 4. Our mode is none because they are no repeating numbers. Now, at this time, what is mean? Second is what is median. And number 3 is what is mode. So, let's discuss it one by one. First, the mean. Mean is the sum of the values or numbers divided by the number of terms or number. Is the average of the data set. Number 2 is the median. Median is the middle number of the data set. Number 3 is the mode. Mode is the number or value that occur most frequently in the data set. And lastly is the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, the data is row, not in a group. Now, did you learn what is the meaning of mean, median, and mode? So, this time, we will have an activity. So, look at the picture. Find the mean, median, mode. You can use your paper and pen and let's find it together. So, if you encounter the data set is in rumble, you arrange it from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So, now, we have here the 5 data set. In order to find the mean, we will sum them up and divide it by 5. The result, which is 6, is the mean. Now, is the middle number of the data set is 6. How about the mode? So, still 6 because it is the number or value that occur most frequently in the data set, which is the other term is the repeating number. Now, let's try the other one. So, they have the students' activity, summative test, scores of Mario in math, 12 items. The summative test 1 is he got score 6. Summative 2 is scores 8. And summative 3 is 9, summative 4 is 9, summative 5 is 10, and the last is the summative 6 is 12. So, there are 6 numbers presented in the data set. Same process, sum up and divide it numbers in the data set. So, we have here 6. That is our data set. So, you can add all together. So, 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12. So, the result is 54. You can divide it the data set, which is 6. So, the result is 9. That is our mean. Now, for the median, since this data set is even, we need to find the middle numbers and divide it by 2. So, our middle numbers is 9. So, 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. So 18, divide it by 2, so the result is 9. So the result will be our median. For the mode, still 9 the numbers of repeating numbers. So any questions? So let's wrap up our learnings today. So number 1 is that is our main. So main is the sum of the values or numbers divided by the number of terms or number. So it is also called is the average of a data set. Second is the median. Median is the middle numbers of the data set. Number 3 is the mode. Mode is the number or value that occur most frequently in the data set. So number 4, the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, the data is row, not in a group. So how to find them? For the mean, sum up the numbers in the data set and divide it according to the number of the data presented in the data set. For the median, if the data set presents odd numbers, find the middle number. If it is even, find the two middle numbers and add and divide it by 2. The frequently value that occur most in the data set is the mode, or the other term is the repeating numbers. Now, it's time to check whether you learned something on this topic. You can have your pen and paper there and try to solve this data set below. Compute the main, median, and mode based on the given situation. Nanay Gemma sells in ice candy 20 pesos. Spaghetti 25 pesos. Combo 30 pesos. Bihon 30 pesos. Pancit 35 pesos. Hot cake is 40 pesos. This data set is arranged it already. If as you can see, the data set is rumble, you can arrange it from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So let's check. The total sum of the data set is 180. So now, how many data we have? So we have 6 data set. So let's divide 180 divided by 6. So the result is 30. So 30 is the main. So for the median, we will have odd numbers. So 30 plus 30, which is equal to 60. So 60 divided by 2. That is our median. So median is 30. Since 30 appeared twice, this will be our mode for this data set. So in other term, 30 is the repeating numbers. So it is so easy, right? Try this at your home to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can learn something today. But don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell button para updated kayo sa mga bagong video natin. This is your Teacher R, and God bless.